Hey everybody, welcome to Soozie Stuff. I'm Soozie, and I'm bringing you another edition of my 60-second DIY. What's it gonna be today? Let's find out. Ready, set, go! All right, my clock has started. So these are some of the supplies that I'm going to be using in this DIY. Some raffia, some ribbon, and some floral pieces. So check out this cutting board. I saw it at Dollar Tree and I ran over there. I was like, this is the most perfect piece that I've ever seen that I don't want to change. I love it just the way it is. But I thought, how perfect to add a little cute bow. So I'm adding this buffalo check ribbon. Gonna tie a little shoestring bow, add some raffia at the top, give it a little haircut. We're almost finished. 20 seconds to go. So I also found some of this baby's breath at Dollar Tree too. I don't even have to use any hot glue. We're down to 10 seconds. Oh, I better trim this last one. I give it a little ducktail cut and we are finished. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I made it. So what do you think? What a perfect 60-second DIY. You can change the ribbon up, add any color that you like. So I hope you enjoy this 60-second DIY. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and even a comment. I would love to hear from you. I'll see you next time on Soozie's Stuff, KDIY Channel 146. Bye, everybody.